Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Bunch. Today talking about Dusty Miller. So often you get it in and it's limp, dehydrated, and it's very difficult to bring back. Key is when you get it, quickly remove the wrapper. Open it out and let a little bit of air. Then give each stem a cut, taking off at least 2 inches, dipping it in quick dip. Yes, quick dip is your best friend when it comes to Dusty Miller. Then placing it into a vessel with ice cold water. You want it to be very, very cold. So that's the tip. If you give it a good cut, removing 2 inches, dip it with quick dip, then quickly into ice water, you'll find it can last all week long, even up to 2 weeks in the flower cooler. Now you know how the pros do it.